Yes people, welcome back to another video. Today I've got a little bit of something down by my feet. Picked myself up the Alpinestars SR10. What a helmet, mate. So I'm going to open the box and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So we're in like some sort of ghetto setup here, but I didn't want to film it in my house, so we're here. So we get pin lock that you get to fit yourself. You get some tear off strips. I think these are for like bugs or something. I don't actually know how to use them, but I'll figure it out. And then we get this bad boy. Yes, on. I don't want to put it on the floor, but I'm gonna have to. Let's get into this. So we're gonna start off with this. You get your second visor. This one's the clear one, I think. It is. This one's the clear one. Look at that beast. Put that in there for now. You get the second wing. I got the fun design, so the race wing's been put on already. But if you get the black or the carbon one, not the black or the carbon, the white or the carbon one, the street wing will already be put on it. But yeah, you get your little street wing. So you get your visor, your wing, and then you also get a user manual, because why not? What else do you get? You get this weird looking thing. I don't know what that does, but you get that. I think that's to go on your chin or something, to stop wind from going up. But I'm not 100% sure about that, to be honest. But you get that. What else do you get? You get a free sticker. Yes, on. Your little certification sticker. So I'm going to have to put that on at some point. There's nothing else in the bag. And now, let's move on to the main part. The helmet itself. Let's unwrap this. Oh, I've already hooked it up with like all the things that I need to do the moto vlogging, so I can go out and film straight away. But look at this. The Alpinestars SUPERTECH R10 helmet. Absolute beast. It's got little winglets on each side. Oh, I've got a snotty nose. You get a massive wing. Look at that. And the padding on the inside, I'm going to move a little bit closer so you can see. The padding on the inside is all like soft and spongy. So I'm going to put it on, show you what it looks like. And then you'll be absolutely mega buzzing like I am. So, let me take my spectacle off and whack it on my head. Woo. This thing is so comfy, man. The only fiddly bit about it is the visor, because that thing is so annoying. But yeah, look at this, man. That's the side view. Front, visor down, other side and back. Honestly, such a sick helmet. Oh, I'm fucking falling over everything. But it's such a sick helmet, like honestly. You're gonna have to let me know what you think. But let's go out on a ride and see how it actually... Right, so you've just seen the unboxing. I'm just out to test the old helmet, because I finally got it. I am so buzzing about it as well. Honestly, this helmet looks sick. And in terms of comfort, I'm not gonna lie, it's ridiculously comfortable. I mean, just from putting it on right at the start, honestly, chef's kiss, mate. It's the padding is just so soft, and oh, and it just cuts right through the wind as well. Like, what do you mean? Like, with my old helmet,
I kind of had like an issue where my head would wobble a lot. So, like if I'm having a little bit of fun and it's a little bit windy, my head would just be like wobbling all over the place. And to be honest, because like today it's a little bit windy, but I'm not really feeling any sort of weird like wobbly movement. Let's go! Woo! I absolutely love this thing, man. My fingers are getting a little bit chilly. I'm hoping it warms up a bit. It's meant to get to like 12 degrees today, and it's only, what, 10 o'clock in the morning. So hopefully it warms up a bit, because I'm not much a fan of this cold weather anymore. Oh, my fingers are cold. Fingers are cold. I think I'm going to find a little spot to pull into and talk to you a little bit more about the helmet and all that lots, like why I decided to get this one over any others. It nearly says boob. I'm gonna have to keep my eye out on that. Oh, is it gonna go? I'm not missing it. That's why I'm gonna be concentrating and fucking miss it, aren't I? See, this is where this road gets full on confusing, man. Go on. Right. Oh, it smells like arse around here. It says boob! That's funny. I'm such a child. But it's funny. So, I just had a little bit of a quick stop. Had a little bit of a drink. I didn't only pick the helmet just because it looked nice, but I picked it because of all the features that it's like packed with, really. So Alpinestars spent a lot of time making the helmet as aerodynamic as they possibly can. See, I don't know if you can see round the head area, but it's got little winglets on it where reduce drag, and it's got like a massive spoiler at the back as well. So really, when you're riding, you don't feel, it just cuts through the wind like butter. Honestly, it does. You can't feel any sort of like movement or wobbling in your head. So that's reason number one. Number two, it's like fucking ECE rated and DOT rated as well. So it's got like the highest protection it possibly can, which is another good thing. You want your head to be protected. The field of view on this helmet as well, like without moving my head, I can see perfectly fine in my peripherals. Is that the way to say it? Peripheral vision, where I'm not actually looking at it, I can just see it in the corner of my eye. I can see the house. I can see pretty much what's next to me, to be honest. So the field of view on this helmet is madness. Even to a point where I can actually see the microphone, and it kind of sometimes gets in the way, so I might have to move it. So I'm really glad that I did actually pick this helmet over the AVG Pista or any other helmet, because that's another option that you can go for, which is up there. but I just don't like the look of it. It just looks a bit funny. I'm not a fan of the shape of it, to be honest. Whereas this one's like, it looks sleek, it looks like really nice, and it's well worth the money. Oh, the padding as well. The padding can come out, it's machine washable, all that sort of stuff. But it's sort of like, I think the only way I can sort of describe it is a little bit velvety. It's really soft. So every time I put it on my head, I'm like, oh, that is comfy. Whereas my other one was, I wouldn't say it weren't comfortable, but the interior padding just wasn't as soft as what it is on this helmet. So sometimes it sort of could feel a little bit scratchy, sort of. But we're kind of just big chilling on this ride. I thought I'd come and talk to you about the helmet that I got, because I think I mentioned it in like nearly every single video coming up to the point where I bought this helmet, so it was very well needed for me. Let's see where this road takes us then. Oh, it's bumpy. I've not been this way before. Let's see what it's like. See if it's any good, eh? But in terms of like wind noise and stuff, there's literally barely any. I mean, I wear ear protection anyway, but I thought I'd not just for like the first ride, just to get a gauge on what it's actually like. But I really don't think it's bad at all, especially compared to my old helmet. But yeah, the wind noise is pretty much non-existent, mate. So I can't imagine what it's going to be like when I've got loops in. But I want to know in the comments what you lot think to this helmet, because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. But let me know what you think. And let me know if you'd actually get one. In fact, I want to go that way. Whee! Bloody hell, these are big corners. How have I never been up any of these roads before? This is mental. Like, look at this, man. I don't know which way to go now. We're gonna go rightwards. Let's go rightwards. literally just there, and I'm going in the opposite direction. To be fair, I'm going to pull in there and just get my hands warmed up a little bit again, because I can't feel my fingers, to be honest. And I'll film a little bit of the helmet so you can see it all the way around again, because it's an absolutely well nice helmet. I've not been here in a while, but I'm not staying for long. I'm just warming my hands up and then we're gonna go. Let's go down here. This is a little bit of a fun one, isn't it? Oh. What a day. It's actually warmed up quite nicely as well. I mean, it's still cloudy, but it's warmed up quite nicely. My hands aren't numb anymore. I also want to thank you all for subscribing, because I checked this morning and I am now on 178 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. And it is very much appreciated from you all, because when I first started I was like, oh, do you know what, I'm just going to do it for a bit of fun, because why not? And I feel like it's actually got potential to go somewhere. It's very motivating seeing that number go higher and higher, and it makes me want to go out and create more videos for you lot. But I just need to make them more fun, like, but I don't know sort of how to, because I'm just out here on myself doing my thing. I need people to ride with, but there's not many people around here, like in the close area of where I am, that ride, to be honest. Not that I'm aware of anyway. But yeah, thank you for your support, people. It is very much appreciated. Right, so I'm gonna head home now, because the weather's not getting any warmer, and neither am I, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. A little bit of a helmet sort of video today. But anyway, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I'll see you all in the next one.